welcome back to Dawn Hunters. We've been in Thailand for almost a year now, navigating the waters of our trusted catamaran. And yes, I'm saying catamaran instead of catamaran.
We are doing the final touches after all of the changes, which were huge, to make this vessel off-grid. We are on the brink of leaving Thailand to explore all of Southeast Asia.
All of it.
In Dawn Hunter fashion, we're leaving during storm season.
Monsoon. But before we set sail, there is one final adventure in Phuket, Thailand.
Some hidden gems here that we're going to take you on today.
Break your chains off.
Never ceases to amaze me. You just, wherever you look, this thing growing and crawling.
It's only 1 mile down the road, but William didn't have his coffee yet, so he's back there grumbling. I did find a coffee shop on my trusted Google map. Let's see if it actually exists, because a lot of times in Thailand you arrive somewhere and there is nothing there. I have my fingers crossed that there is something there, otherwise this man gonna kill me.
I don't think there's any coffee because this sure looks all residential. Are we like following Google again?
What I really like about Thailand, every house has a small guardian like that guards their door. This house even has tigers on their actual door. Wait! That's the place! You just passed it.
Pink Volkswagen, a pink Beetle. I had this car in 1975. My first car, Volkswagen Beetle.
Was it in pink too?
It was green, but you would not have fit in that. We would have to fold you into 2 pieces. I can only date short girls. That's why I have a tall wife.
Now when you sold it,
I got a boat.
you got a boat.
All right, my wife gets a gold star because not only is there coffee here, there is really cool stuff. A 1963 Vespa and a 1968 Volkswagen, and I didn't even get started. Coffee first.
There are so many little things that the owner collected over time. It's just full of things. You need to come here for a year to see every little detail.
I've just realized why I feel so good in this place is because most things are older than me. Here's an old buttercrock from London. We have a scale here. We have a sewing machine, the old hand one. Oh! And I used to have one of these for sharpening my knife. No electricity needed. There's treasures all over this place. Ooh, what's this?
This is a iced cappuccino, the coffee bean from Chiang Mai. Koi is the place of the mountain the coffee bean come from. Chocolate, nutty, and caramel.
Strong.
Strong. This is our King Ramanai, and she the.
I was walking by looking for some cafes and I found the pink card.
Yes.
And I'm looking inside and see, oh my, it's a cafe. And yeah, and I just come every day, almost every day.
Good inspiration with all the things around.
It's amazing.
Perfect.
I recommend you to try hot cappuccino. That's my favorite drink, so I'm gonna try it out. Yeah.
Ready? Ooh. Wow. Very nice.
Hopefully now he's gonna become nicer because he's been grumbling all day without his coffee.
If you're gonna go anywhere in Phuket, you have to find this place. You know, when we sold everything and moved on the boat to travel, dearest things I had to get rid of were motorcycles. I see this little guy, maybe it would fit Sailboat locker. I have no idea what year this is. I'm pretty sure it's also older than me. Wait a minute. Is this our height?
No. One of the most authentic places, and the owner cares so much, and everything is so unique.
All over Thailand, appreciation and protection of trees, plants, and interaction with the greenery. It's like you're breathing fresh oxygen wherever you go. Amazingly cool.
I was about to smell it, and I see like bees and ants here. Smells so good.
I gotta come see this. This is a little attic that's even decorated. It's a place that time has stood still.
I don't know if I dare to ask what this is. Definitely scales. Maybe that's a wombat. Bird skull on top of it. It's like a combination of multiple animals. Maybe that's giant lizard. I don't know what that is. Guys, maybe you can leave a comment or two and let us know what you think this is.
Feel lucky rubbing a dead animal's back. Now there's like, hey, you're wiping germs on me. What's your name?
Lera.
Lera.
I started to work again on my artworks, inspired from everywhere. Family was so kind to me, and I felt like I have family here.
Guys, look at these handmade mugs.
What breakfast in Thailand would be complete without a sausage? We might go hiking by about 4 o'clock based on this current schedule. But it's my wife's day, so whatever she wants to do, I'll keep eating if she wants to keep eating.
I'm gonna show you guys real Thai toilet. Come to mama. This is how you do it. And then, when you're done with your things, you take this bowl, get some water, and then you flush it. Now you know, if you're in Thailand, how to use toilet properly. Hey, I'm really using this. I see this. Very interesting jars.
Local orange in Thailand.
So good. That smells really different. I think I'm gonna try this with soda. This has been fermented for 3 months. So good. I wish you guys would be here to try this.
Maybe there's a little bit alcohol in here.
Everybody come to Papa's Coffee House.
We are at Cathu Waterfall. And guess what comes jumping out of the bushes? Mrs. Cathu.
A lot of people say it gets dry. Right now, we are in the beginning of the rainy season. Wow, this is so beautiful. I'm a butterfly too.
Pretend you're a tree. I'll be back in a couple hours.
You won't find me. I will be all in butterflies. I don't think it's working. Is guys, what we need to go to the waterfall in the rainy season. This is actually quite weird because I don't see any holes for the face. I hope there are not many people by that waterfall.
You know, guys, when you dream about that woman from Victoria's Secret and she's gonna come home with something really, really hot and cool, and guess what you get? Mosquito proof.
Hey, I'm still in my swimsuit. Even maybe more exciting for some.
The bug is on the inside.
Explorers await. This, my friends, where the real road to the Cathu Waterfall starts. Let's go. Wow, there is a spider this size. You know, everything in life is relative. Usually spiders are like that. So if one is really big, then he's really like that.
There are multiple parts of this waterfall that just keep going in higher, higher elevations with places you can stop like this and enjoy the water.
And enjoy the water. Are you enjoying the water there? I can see mosquitoes flying around me and they just cannot understand what's happening. Why the sweet smelling flesh is so protected.
We've heard if you sprinkle water on us from a natural waterfall, it brings you to the skin. We're catching all kinds of it. Enjoy you. You're going to be young too.
You are messing with my mosquito protection.
I thought it was water protection.
Let's go to the next level. If you guys like content like this, you like waterfalls and nature, make sure you check out our episode from Waterfall in Langkawi. There are a lot of steps here. I'm already dying.
We're halfway. Let's keep going. Oh, my dad, I always told him I was not going to wait until I got older to be able to do these things. And in Thailand is an amazing example. About 400 steps, we're only halfway there. And there's no way you would be doing this later on. I'm 67 and damn good shape. But whenever you hear waterfall, that equates to be ready to climb.
Hey, I better not find your cold body at the top of it.
I hope not.
There is somebody swimming in the waterfall. Maybe that's Mowgli. I can't believe that this guy is swimming in the waterfall. Imagine, you're sitting at home and you're like, you know, it kind of feels hot today. I'm just gonna go jump in the waterfall. Life of some people in some countries. Look at this tree. Wow.
Full of ants.
Ah, they can't get me. I'm fully protected. There are a couple of people here, and when they see me, you should see their faces. They're like, what
I
the
should
heck
have
is it?
known.
What?
I should have known that the steps were going to end and then the fun begins. I guess it's this way.
Yep, definitely this way. Ooh. You guys probably remember, I'm afraid of the snakes. Ah! There are like spider webs of outrageous sizes. Guys, this is so pretty.
It's outrageous!
It's outrageous! This is actually my new selected word instead of insane for this month. Outrageous! Thank you so much for commenting this word, and I'm going to be using other words that you guys proposed to me in the last video when I learned them. Some of them were really cool, but I forgot them.
Wait, what's the word for being tired?
Tired, exhausted,
Why do you know that word?
because I'm exhausted and I'm very sweaty, and there are a lot of mosquitoes here, I can see.
They're swarming around you.
I'm actually not quite sure if this works really well. I will check my skin for the bites after this trip and see. I think we are here. Ah.
Well, I am about to use my hiking shoes. Guys, I would be going on the easier path, but there are huge spiders.
Spider this size.
But there are huge spiders on every little easy section.
Everything in life is relative.
Normally, this is the honest part, but now I have to try this out. Amazing.
How did you like the waterfall?
Waterfall was amazing, but the rocks and the peace and the quiet was amazing. But the most amazing thing ever was seeing my wife caged in a net.
I'm so hot. I'm so ready to take this off and have lunch somewhere.
You know, you use a butterfly net, catch butterflies. Well, she thought she was keeping mosquitoes out. Instead, I've kept her in the net. We encountered some people along the way, and when they saw this mosquito net, they were like, what the is she wearing? I was like, get used to it.
We got so hungry hiking that we decided to visit one more last dot on my Google Maps. The dog there, you going first. This restaurant featured in Michelin, very authentic, very local.
You might be getting 3 out of 3 today because this place looked pretty cool.
And guys, because it's a low season, we had the full restaurant for ourselves. What are you gonna have? There is a huge menu of all kinds of Thai stuff. The menu, as always, has photos for the tourists, which are called parang, which means foreigner. I think he's in Ah. Do I pronounce this right now?
Awe.
In Ah.
But
Ah.
is what you say when you have tonsil problems.
We ordered pad thai, which is a very traditional Thai noodles, sweet and sour, very nice with shrimp. Then we ordered, what are they called?
Mussels.
Mussels,
Or
shells, clams, whatever they are. This is not very traditional here, but some places have it. Supposedly these guys have it in a very special sauce. And then I ordered special baked noodles with shrimp. Can you stop me?
I'm hungry. You film. I'm hungry.
Mulberry. That's a mulberry. What is this? These are fried bananas in bread. Sweet.
Dessert first.
Thai people have this right.
I've learned a secret here is that the food only tastes good with chopsticks because the metal stuff old-fashioned.
Not for us. This is also, oh, I didn't say what this is. These are noodles with baked noodles with a little bit of ginger.
That's why so many people retire here. That was the most expensive meal and delicious. Who wants to cook?
Not me. Guess, guys, for how much we just ate? $24. $24. 3 entrees, 1 dessert, 3 drinks. Just joking. Got you and you. Don't get too excited.